Whoa! All right, that's what I'm talking about. Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Hoover Reservoir. That's right, we're back at Hoover and we're chasing the Triple Crown. We want a blue, we want a channel, and we want a flathead. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I got here at 5, which means I left my house at 3. Yeah. I hit the banks for a little bit, caught a couple little bluegill and one huge sunfish that I do plan on putting out live later. Right now, I am out in the middle of the reservoir. I am right in between 2 submerged islands, right at a nice little choke point. Beautiful spot. I got cherry jello chicken suspended on this one, and I got a little live bluegill suspended on that one. Let's see what we can get out of here with. Come on, open up. All right. Well, not exactly the size we're going for, but it does get the skunk out of the boat, and it's a blue cap. So now all we need is a channel and a flathead. Something hit that head. Something hit that headpiece. Didn't hook up. Oh, maybe he's still on there. He's still on there. Yes! We finally got a catfish. Probably gonna be a little thing. Let's see. Did he come off? No, he's still on there. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Got a little pull in him. I have been out here all day. 5 o'clock in the morning. It is now 2:30. All goddamn day. Whoa! We got a nice sized blue cat right there. And that thing did not give any fight at all. He wants to go now. But that is a nice blue. For the little fight that thing gave me, oh man, oh man. Oh, come on up here, kitty. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we've been waiting all damn day for. This kitty cat right here. There we go. All right, let's get this kitty up here. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to say that is my best blue cat right there. Yes, that's a nice size blue. Female blue, but good size. All right, Hoover Reservoir, putting out some nice blue cats. All right, let's get her back in there. Let's try to do a nice release this time, okay? There you go. What? Oh, you gotta splash me on the way out. Took all the goddamn day. But we finally got a nice blue cat. Alright, I'm calling it. I gotta get out of here. I've been here way too long as it is. I'm just hoping to catch fish now. I'm not even trying anymore. And if I keep hoping, I'll be here all night. So I gotta get out of here. It was the day of what ifs. We got something already. We got something. Oh, he feels small. And he just popped the hook. Hey now, we got something on that little live bluegill. I don't know what it is. Guess we're gonna find out. Oh, don't tell me he came off. Son of a bitch. Whoa. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we wanted to see. Oh, now he's coming at me. He just rip drag like a son of a bitch. Now he's coming at me. Is he still on? He's not on anymore. No! I think he came off. God damn it. Yep, he came off. And he took my bait. That son of a bitch. Alright. Oh. What if I would have landed all those fish? Especially the one that ripped that drag off. That one upset me immensely. But at least I landed 2 blue cats. One good sized one. That was a good sized blue cat. Probably my PB. I think that was bigger than the last one I caught here. So I'm going to say that was my PB, even though I don't have a measurement on it. But still didn't get my flathead. I'm going to keep trying for that damn flathead. I'm going to get him eventually. I will. Hopefully I got something better for you next week. I'll see you then.